guys, here's this video. I just wanted to record this quick video to show you guys that I'm making thumbnails now. I only made 2 of my recent videos. I'm gonna be doing the rest of them. I mean, this one I might not even do a thumbnail because the thumbnail that I got is actually perfect. But I might do thumbnails for ones that actually need them. Like maybe I can find my videos for a second. No, that's not there. Here. Dang it. Alright, go this way. Now let's go to my channel. And where are my videos? Okay, I can't find my videos here. Found them. Oh, great. So these 2 videos I changed. I might even change some others, which is actually really nice, and I would love to change it. So all I change is like the Lego Shorts 0 divided by 0. See, 0 divided by 0 plus. If you haven't seen this video, you should see it. I couldn't bother to add sounds, so okay, let's see. So also this is really Spidey. There's something else.
He's gonna be a bad.
Oh yeah, this one. I also want to tell you something. Shout out to one of my friends. I want to show you them. Right? I want to show you this video.
So can I join the Avengers camp?
Did you hear that? That's actually my voice.
I'm not really too sure about that, you know.
That's my voice.
Chuck said I can.
See, that's not my voice. That's my friend's voice. My subscriptions. Move on. I'm just fine here. His name is Rami Hamza, and this is the channel of my friends. Okay, he doesn't have any YouTube videos, but he will have soon. So here it is. So far, and I hope he starts making videos because I want to show you him. So just shout out to him for voicing Spider-Man, and also voicing. He voiced not only Spider-Man.
The cast is Loki.
He also voiced the Outrider, Black Panther, and basically some other characters. I actually had a script, but I lost it. I don't have it anymore. Okay, but I'm just gonna do this quick video and show you how to make thumbnails. Now, to get a thumbnail, you have to start by downloading the YouTube Studio, YT Studio. You can download it easily from the Play Store. Yeah, YouTube Studio, and you can download it for making thumbnails and changing your channel. Also download Pixel Lab. It's called Pixel and then Lab. See, you get this. Make your own thumbnail. Let me just take a photo first. 1 second. Alright, I got the photo. Alright, now you have to go click on this plus right here and go from gallery. And then say reach into here. And then go to this picture that I have that I made. Oh, dang it. I can't change the picture. Actually, no, I can. Do this. And maybe I can rotate it. No. Dang it. Wait, maybe I can rotate it. I'm not sure. This is a fail video. 1 second, let me just get another one. Alright, we're back. Pixel Lab. So as I told you, to press this plus, go to from gallery. Let's see, you have to go this one. There we go. Alright, and you can choose whatever you want. However the size that you want. You can customize it yourself. I like to make my head like this. Maybe I can. Yeah, that'll work. Actually, it doesn't work. Alright, I'm just gonna go with this. And then press this. Boom. Make however big as you want. Look at that. Looks so weird. But you can always go to image size. Go here and thumbnail. Oh no. Okay. I don't make it any wider. I just want to make it smaller. Hello? It doesn't want to get smaller. I'll just keep it this way anyway. Anyways, so this is my thumbnail so far. You can add text. No, okay. You can add text here, the A. You can add it with quotes or just normal text. I'm gonna add normal text. You can rotate it. Okay, you go to edit, and you can type whatever you want. For example, thumbnails, and make it bigger or small. And then let's see, I can still edit it. Now to change the color, you have to here, boom, color. I like to use gradient. My most recent videos, I use gradient. I'm gonna use this one. It looks cool. I think gradient looks really nice, and I'm gonna use it up here on my big head. Oh dang it! All right, my big head. You can also change the texture if you want. Wait, can I do? Wait, what? Can I actually do? Ha! Yeah, this texture is amazing. It fits into me. Alright. So a texture, you can add textures if you want. I'm not gonna add a texture, I'm gonna remove it actually. Boom. Okay. Here's the texture. I'm sure you can change padding. You can make it no. Yeah. The padding you can change it kinda like how long do you want it to be? You can make it big. Like that. Okay, let's see. Can I the font here? Click here on the font and you can change it. I personally like this font because it just looks cool. It just looks cool, okay? Boom. So I put in like thumbnails here, then you go to the save as image. Then you can change anything if you want here. And I'm just gonna go save to gallery. Once I'm done, I have to go to YouTube Studio. And here's my channel. Everything. Here's how to change it. And if you want to edit your thumbnail, I can, for example, go to my video here. I can press edit thumbnail, and add whatever picture you want. Custom edit if there's a picture that. So now these thumbnails here are the ones that given to you. So I can just change it into this or this. Or this is the classic one. It's supposed to be there. I might actually change the thumbnail for this one to something else, so I don't spoil much things. So that's how you change the thumbnail. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.